how this comes with everything. So this is a housekeeping set. Let's open her. And again, guys, kids love this stuff. You don't think, like, pretend play, like whether a kitchen set, house set, cleaning set, really gets them going and gets their imagination going. Here we got the poles. We got the mops. Oh, this is so cute. The little... So it comes with a little bucket. How cute. Okay, so that's a little bucket. And here's all the mop heads and stuff. How cute. Okay, oh, it's like a little Swiffer or whatever. Oh my god. Guys, they do really make cute toys. I'm telling you, like, your kids will like it. Look. And actually, like, it's actually pretty soft where they could actually probably dust the floors with them and then actually clean your floors. And look, it actually, like, clips like this so you can hang it up. That's cute. Okay, that's one. Little mop head. I don't think this will really clean anything. It might, like, just like a duster. Okay. Little duster. Okay, mop, whatever. Okay. Oh, those are they have handles on them. Okay, I'm not putting the handles on, taking time to put the handles, but they have the handles that go at the top and the bottom. So one for the top, one for the bottom. I mean, one for the top and this for the bottom. Oh, it's that broom. It's a little loose though. Oh, wait, there's a space down there. Push it in. There we go. Oh, this is so cute. I love pretend play stuff like this. They could actually, like, get their imagination going. Love this. And look, it comes with the pretend cleaning products. Caution wet floor. A little brush for the dustpan. And it's that simple and easy to keep them entertained. Like, I'm telling you, kids love this stuff. Love, love, love. Logan went through like 2 or 3 of them when she was younger, when Bran sent them to me, and she loved it.